One day, a mysterious old man appeared in the town square. He claimed to have the ability to open a portal to another realm, known as the Ghost Realm. Intrigued by the prospect of exploring a world filled with ghosts and spirits, Ashik convinced Sagar to join him on this extraordinary journey. As the two friends stepped through the portal, they found themselves in a world shrouded in darkness. The air was thick with an eerie silence, broken only by the faint whispers of the ghosts that roamed the realm. They cautiously moved forward, unsure of what they would encounter. Suddenly, they heard a cry for help. Following the sound, they stumbled upon a young girl named Ria, who was being chased by a group of malevolent spirits. Without hesitation, Sagar and Ashik fought off the ghosts, rescuing Ria from their clutches. Grateful for their aid, Ria explained that she had been trapped in the ghost realm for years and had been constantly pursued by vengeful spirits. Determined to help Ria return home, the three companions set off on a perilous journey. They faced numerous challenges along the way, battling powerful ghosts and solving intricate puzzles. With each obstacle they overcame, their bond grew stronger, and they became an unstoppable team. In a fierce battle, Sagar, Ashik, and Ria fought valiantly against the Ghost King. It was a grueling struggle, but they refused to give up. With one final strike, they defeated the Ghost King and shattered his hold over the Ghost Realm. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If there is any mistake in the storytelling video, please let me know in the video comments. I will try to correct the mistake in the next chapter.